Put the rules where the power is. Every courthouse hallway has its own atmosphere. People sit on benches waiting for decisions that may affect their children, property, safety, income, reputation, or liberty. Lawyers move from hearing to hearing. Witnesses wonder what they will be asked. Judges and commissioners move through crowded calendars under pressure most people never see. Today, that hallway may also be virtual. A remote litigant may be sitting alone in a digital waiting room, staring at a screen, waiting for a life-altering hearing to begin. Whether the hallway is physical or digital, that entry point is the right place for a simple reform. Post a conspicuous QR code outside every courtroom and place a prominent link in every virtual hearing room, leading to the canons of judicial conduct and the rules of professional conduct for lawyers. That is not an attack on judges. It is not an attack on lawyers. It is a statement of civic seriousness. If the courtroom is where public power is exercised, the ethical rules governing that power should be visible there. The rules already exist. Judges and commissioners are bound by judicial conduct rules. Lawyers are bound by professional conduct rules. Those rules address impartiality, integrity, competence, diligence, candor, conflicts of interest, fairness, confidentiality, and respect for the tribunal. They are not decorative. They are supposed to define the minimum ethical architecture of the justice system. But for most people, the rules are functionally invisible. Yes, they are technically public. A person can find them online if he or she knows what they are called, where to look, and why they matter. But a rule buried on a government website is public access in name only. A rule posted at the courtroom door or pinned to a virtual waiting room is public in practice. This matters because many people experience court as a closed guild with its own language, customs, rituals, and unwritten rules. Litigants often do not know what they are entitled to expect from a judge, commissioner, or lawyer. That ignorance cuts both ways. Some people fail to recognize conduct that is genuinely improper. Others assume every adverse ruling, stern comment, or aggressive lawyer must be proof of corruption. Neither reaction is healthy. A visible ethics link would not turn lay people into lawyers, but it would give them a starting point. It would say, there are standards, they are not secret, and here's where you can read them. Legal professionals should support this too. Visible rules protect the public from unethical lawyers, but they also protect ethical lawyers from clients who demand misconduct as a litigation strategy. A lawyer can point to the rule and say, I am not allowed to do that. Put the rules where the power is, at the courtroom door, at the top of the digital screen. A justice system that makes its ethical boundaries visible earns trust the right way, not by asking for blind faith or demanding respect, but by showing the public the standards it claims to follow.